You have made it to the final week of the 31-day KDP challenge. Your book is live on Amazon, and that is such an incredible accomplishment. But here's the thing, publishing your book is just the beginning. This week, we're going to focusing on the marketing strategies to get your book noticed and start generating some sales. So, are you ready to take your book to the next level? If you are, let's dive in. Week 4 is all about visibility. You're going to learn how to create a launch plan, promote your book on social media, and encourage reviews to build credibility. You're going to use paid ads strategically if that is what you want to do and if it's within your goals. And you're also going to set the foundations for ongoing marketing efforts. By the end of this week, you are going to have a clear strategy to attract readers and keep your book selling long after this challenge ends. So, it's day 22, and today you are going to create your launch plan. I know it sounds a bit NASA, but I promise you it's not. Every successful book is going to start with a solid launch plan. Decide how you want to announce your book and to whom. Write down your key dates, whether it's a soft launch, a big launch, your target audience and where they hang out. The types of content that you're going to share. Are you going to do teaser posts, countdowns, reveal videos? So for example, if your book is a planner for teachers, plan posts in teacher Facebook groups, schedule an Instagram story countdown, and create a special launch day offer. So let me know down in the comments, what is the one platform you're going to focus on for your launch? Share your plan in the comments. For me, I personally prefer to launch my books on Instagram, and I do also share them in a few Facebook groups as well. Then day 23, we are looking at the social media promotion. Today, I want you to start promoting your book on social media. Share the story behind your book, little sneak peeks and why it's valuable for your audience. Use platforms where your readers are most active. And tips for you, use hashtags to expand your reach, post a video introducing your book, and engage with comments and messages to build the excitement. And you can start out on your own personal Facebook, Instagram. It doesn't have to be, to start with, a dedicated page. Let me know what your go-to social media platform is. Drop your handle below so we can all come and support you. For me, I prefer YouTube is like my main platform, but that's for this. Then after this, I personally, for me, prefer Instagram and TikTok, but everyone is different. Pinterest is also really visual and a great one that tends to be neglected. On day 24, we want to start building the buzz through reviews. Reviews are the key to building trust and credibility for your book. Today, we're going to reach out to our friends, family, or your existing audience and ask them to please leave an honest review. Make it easy by sharing a direct link to your book's Amazon page. And here's a pro tip for you. Why not offer an early access copy in exchange for an honest review? But you do need to make sure that you follow Amazon's guidelines. And if a video around this would be helpful to you, make sure that you let me know down in the comments. Have you secured your first review let? Let us celebrate with you in the comments, so let us know when you do. Now, day 25 is optional, but it is around understanding Amazon ads. If you're ready to invest in ads, today's the day for you. Explore Amazon's advertising platform. Start small with an automatic campaign and set a budget that you're comfortable with and monitor the performance over the next few days. When I first started running Amazon ads, I was literally setting them up for $1 a day. I did keep them automatic, and then Amazon gives you so much information off the back of it that then you can go more targeted. Again, if a video on this next month would help you more, let me know. So, for example, if your book is priced at $9.99, start with a $5 a day budget, refine it as you gather the data. Let me know if you're planning on trying ads and what is your biggest question about them. Perhaps a live Q&A with me around Amazon ads would be helpful. If you're interested, type live Q&A down in the comments. Day 26 and we are focusing on engagement. So I want you to start engaging with your audience. Engagement drives sales. So today, spend it interacting with readers who comment, message, or post about your book. Share your UGC, which is user-generated content, and thank your audience for their support. And why not hold a live Q&A session yourself or share behind the scenes content about your publishing journey? And a really great way of kind of figuring out if you need to tweak descriptions and things as well is if you're getting the same regular questions coming up, you can use those questions to edit your description and make it a bit more bespoke. Remember we said don't just upload and drop it. Keep going, okay? It's really important that we kind of still see these books as work in progress. So as I just said about keeping that book up to date, so day 27 is to update your book description and keywords. The optimization is ongoing, so I want you to review your book's description and keywords. Is it still relevant? Have you had questions from your audience in your niche that keeps coming up? You can add it. Could your description be more compelling? Use the data from sales and ads to refine these details. You can also go into something like ChatGPT and use that to see if there's anything that it would suggest to make it more searchable, more appealing as well to your audience. So for example, if your readers are loving specific features about your book, update your description to emphasize them. Let me know down in the comments, is there something already that you want to tweak within your book or within the listing based on the feedback that you may have received? And don't worry if this hasn't happened immediately. Remember this challenge, even though it's down as 31 days, you can come back and revisit these videos. So don't forget to save this playlist. Day 28, I really like this one, and this one is about reflecting on your progress. So if you think about day 1, you might have had like a little inkling of what you wanted to do with your book, but did you really imagine how far you would come? So today I want you to take a moment to celebrate how far you've come. Reflect on what's working and also what can you improve. Write it down as well. By writing it down, I think it helps kind of concrete it in our mind. Write down what the biggest wins are, any lessons that you've learned so far as well, and let me know what has been your biggest takeaway. What are you most proud of? Day 29 is really thinking about your future within self-publishing. So today we are going to plan for your long-term marketing. I want you to create a plan to keep your book visible. This could include scheduling regular social media posts, running periodic ads, or collaborating with influencers. In order to keep on top of my social media posts, I personally love using Metrical. It allows me to upload a video or a post and publish it to multiple platforms, and I can even schedule as well. They give you 50 posts a month for free. So I don't even have like the paid plan. And of course, I know I bang on about this a lot, but do not forget to start building your email list for future book launches and updates. Now, if you would like a little bit more focus on your marketing strategy, do not worry, I have got a free Notion template that you can download. It is pinned down in the comments and it's also linked in the description as well. And I've got a video which I will also link, which takes you through it step by step. Day 30, this is completely optional, but again, I think it still keeps that kind of that momentum and building up your books, is I would host a giveaway or a special event. End this challenge with a bang. Host a giveaway, a special discount, or an event that will drive more sales and engagement. Make it fun and interactive. So for example, you could offer a free printable version of one section of your book to everyone who purchases and leaves a review. Or if you've got more than one book, you could offer them the digital download version of it. Day 31, we are going to celebrate and we are going to share. You have done it. Your book is published and you have taken huge steps in marketing. Today, I want you to celebrate your success. Share your journey with us. Pop it down in the comments below. Post it over on my Instagram at Mrs. D22. And I would absolutely love to hear from you and celebrate with you as well. Let me know, how does it actually feel now that you have completed this challenge? Share your thoughts and your wins below. But as I said, it doesn't stop here. You've published your book, but there is still a great big mountain to climb. You've got to keep those sales rolling in, get some more books published as well. But now you've got a blueprint that breaks up all of the steps so you can keep repeating this and building on it as well. You have come so far over the past 31 days and I'm so proud of everything that you have accomplished. Whether this is your first book or one of many, this journey is proof that you can do incredible things when you take it just one step at a time. So let's keep this momentum going. Share your thoughts, your wins and your reflections below. And don't forget to sign up for updates and resources through the link in the description. Here's to your continued success as a KDP author. Well done, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.